Global IP Trust, Presence. Most popular Nobel laureates in physics. The Nobel Prize is not a single prize, but 5 separate prizes that, according to Alfred Nobel's will in 1895, are awarded to those who, during the preceding year, have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind. Nobel Prizes are awarded in the fields of physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine, literature, and peace. They are widely regarded as the most prestigious awards available in their respective fields. The Nobel Prize in Physics has been awarded 114 times to 216 Nobel laureates between 1901 and 2020. John Bardeen is the only Nobel laureate who has been awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics twice, in 1956 and 1972. This means that a total of 215 individuals have received the Nobel Prize in Physics. In this video, we look at the 10 most popular physicists who have been awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics. Wilhelm Röntgen. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen was a German physicist and was famous for winning the first Nobel Prize in Physics in 1901. Röntgen was the first who studied electromagnetic radiations in the wavelength range latterly known as X-rays or Röntgen rays. In honor of Röntgen's accomplishments, in 2004, the International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry named element 111, Röntgenium, a radioactive element with multiple unstable isotopes, after him. The unit of measurement Röntgen was also named after him. Marie Curie. Marie Skłodowska-Curie was a Polish physicist and chemist who was known for her work on radioactivity. As the first of the Curie family legacy of 5 Nobel Prizes, she was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, the first and the only woman to win the Nobel Prize twice, and the only person to win the Nobel Prize in 2 scientific fields, physics and chemistry. Marie Curie with her husband Pierre Curie, discovered 2 elements, polonium and radium, that were more radioactive than uranium. Both of them shared a Nobel Prize in Physics, along with Henri Becquerel, in 1903. William Lawrence Bragg. Sir William Lawrence Bragg was an Australian-born British physicist. He discovered the Bragg's law of X-ray diffraction, which became very useful for the study of crystal structures. Bragg was the youngest ever Nobel Prize winner in physics. He won the prize in 1915, at the age of 25. He was knighted in 1941. Bragg was the director of the Cavendish Laboratory, Cambridge, when the discovery of the structure of DNA was reported by James D. Watson and Francis Crick in February 1953. Max Planck. Max Carl Ernst Ludwig Planck was a German theoretical physicist and the founder of quantum theory. He is probably the most influential scientist of modern physics. In start, Planck worked in thermodynamics, but later he got attraction towards electromagnetic radiations, and so worked on the spectrum of electromagnetic radiations. His discovery of the energy quanta, which won him the Nobel Prize in Physics, in 1918, sparked the configuration of the predominant branch of such discipline, quantum mechanics. Albert A. Michelson. Albert Abraham Michelson was an American physicist, and was known for his experiment to measure the speed of light, and especially for the Michelson-Morley experiment. Michelson was the first American who won a Nobel Prize in Sciences, in 1907. He was the founder and the first head of the physics department of the University of Chicago. Michelson was a member of the Royal Society, the National Academy of Sciences, the American Physical Society, and the American Association for the Advancement of Science. Louis de Broglie. Prince Louis Victor de Broglie was a French physicist, and was famous for his contributions in the quantum theory. In his 1924 PhD thesis, he postulated the wave nature of electrons, and suggested that all matter has wave properties. This concept is known as the de Broglie hypothesis, an example of wave-particle duality, and forms a central part of the theory of quantum mechanics. De Broglie won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1929, after the wave-like behavior of matter was first experimentally demonstrated, in 1927. Erwin Schrödinger. Erwin Rodolphe Joseph Alexander Schrödinger was a German physicist who worked for quantum theory that further developed the basis of wave mechanics. In 1926, Schrödinger formulated the famous wave equation that accurately explained the energy levels of an atom. The Schrödinger equation provides a way to calculate the wave function of a system and how it changes dynamically in time. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1933. Werner Heisenberg. Werner Karl Heisenberg was a German physicist and one of the pioneers of modern physics. He published his work in 1925 in a breakthrough paper. In the subsequent series of papers with Max Born and Pascual Jordan, during the same year, this matrix formulation of quantum mechanics was substantially elaborated. He is known for the uncertainty principle, which he published in 1927. He proposed the theory of quantum mechanics at the age of 23, which later explained the allotropic forms of hydrogen, and was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1932. Niels Bohr. Niels Henrik David Bohr was a Danish physicist. He proposed the structure of atom, and also worked for the development of quantum theory. Bohr developed the Bohr model of the atom. Bohr's theory of hydrogen atom became very famous. He also explained about the energy emission by electrons during transitions between the orbits, and was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics in 1922. Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was a German-born theoretical physicist, widely acknowledged to be one of the greatest physicists of all time. Einstein is known for developing the theory of relativity, but he also made important contributions to the development of the theory of quantum mechanics. His mass-energy equivalence formula, E equals mc squared, which arises from relativity theory, has been dubbed the world's most famous equation. Albert Einstein was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics 1921 for his exceptional work on photoelectric effect. There are numerous other exceptional physicists whose life's work was substantial for the development of the modern era. We honor all of them and their works. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.